In this tutorial, we are going to learn on how to view lab charts on RenalGenie. But before that, do not forget to like our YouTube channel, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. To view lab charts on RenalGenie, let's jump to patient profile by clicking on the patient's name. And then on the patient profile, go to the side menu bar and select lab results. On the lab results page, user will be able to see there are 3 sub-tabs available: lab summary, lab orders and lab chart. Click on lab chart. And user will be able to see the predefined graph listed as the following: anemia, bone metabolism, serology, diabetic, pre and post urea. As displayed, each chart is plotted with multiple parameters. If user wish to see only a specific parameter in the chart, user can do so by hiding the other parameters. Clicking on the parameter name on the chart legend will hide and unhide the parameters on the chart accordingly. Thank you for watching. Here is some video suggestion for you to watch next.